Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert Ggives to Gcash wallet without GPO. So, the first step is to find a trusted merchant. We look for a store or online seller that accepts Ggives as payment and is willing to refund via Gcash. Next is to buy a product using Ggives from the merchant. And once you've purchased a product from the Ggives merchant, all you need to do is request a refund. You just coordinate with the seller to refund the amount to your Gcash wallet instead of returning it to Ggives. And then you receive the refund in Gcash, and then once the seller processes the refund, the money should appear in your Gcash wallet. And that is it. That is how you convert Ggives to your Gcash wallet without GPO. There is no direct way to convert it to your wallet. This is the only way to do it. You must first use Ggives and then request a refund for it, and then basically tell the merchant to refund the product to your Gcash wallet instead of the Ggives. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.